Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the lecture. Uh, Today we have to discuss a+b+c whole square formula. We know that a+b+c whole square is a fundamental formula in algebra, particularly in basics algebra. A+b+c whole square is equal to a+b+c whole square is equal to a square uh, plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ca. Now we want to discuss and solve some problem on this formula. First I want to solve example 1. In example 1 given that a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 43 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 3. Then uh, find the value of a plus b plus c. We know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now taking common 2 from these pictures, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, we get the formula in this form: s plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now substitute the value uh, substitute the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to 43, and the value of a plus b ab plus bc plus c is equal to 3. So the formula becomes a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 43 plus 2 times 3. By simplifying this right hand side, we get a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 49, and by taking square root, uh, we get a plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus square root 49, which is equal to a plus b plus c is equal to plus or minus 7. In example 2, give f a plus b plus c is equal to 6 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 49. Then uh, find the value of a b plus bc plus c a. Now we know that again a plus b a plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab 2 times bc plus 2 times ca. Now putting the values of putting the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to 49 to 24, and by taking 2 common and putting the value of a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, which is equal to 6. So this is equal to 6 whole square is equal to 24 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now 6 whole square is equal to 36. 36 is equal to 24 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now uh, shift 24 from right hand side to left hand side. So 36 minus 24 becomes 12, 12 is equal to 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Dividing both sides by 2, we get ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 6. In example 3, given that if a plus b plus c is equal to 7 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 9, then find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Again, write the formula a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab, 2 times bc, 2 times ca. Now, taking two common from last three terms, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, so the formula becomes uh, mm, become a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now, putting the value of a plus b plus c, which is equal to 7, and the value of ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 9. So, this becomes 7 whole square. 7 whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times 9. So 2 multiplied by 9 becomes 18, and 7 whole square is equal to 49. So this form becomes 49 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 18. Shift 18 uh, from right hand side to left hand side. So this become 31. 31 becomes a square plus b square plus c square. So the value of a square plus b square plus c square becomes 31. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.